Hello, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the captivating world of front-end development. Ever wondered what happens under the hood when you hit enter and a brand new page appears on your screen? That's where front-end developers come in. Front-end development is all about creating the visible parts of websites or applications that users interact with directly. It's the art of crafting user interfaces that are not only visually pleasing, but also user-friendly and responsive across various devices and browsers. Front-end developers are masters of languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They ensure that websites are easy to navigate and provide a seamless user experience. These experts also make sure that websites function as expected, regardless of the device or browser you're using. So, the next time you delve into a website or application, remember the crucial role front-end developers play in shaping your user experience. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this chat enlightening, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Until our next tech journey together.